different project out there that I can basically give a try. Now in today's video, I'm just going to introduce to you guys a very simple airdrop that you can basically give a try. I've actually posted this airdrop in the Telegram community, and the best way you can communicate with me is through the Telegram community or through my Telegram. Alright. So I would like you guys to basically go ahead and follow us on the Telegram channel right now. We have two basic Telegram channels. One is for us to give signals on trading, while the other one is for us to post different updates. All right, and the one who posts different updates is what I'm actually going to be using to do giveaway for you guys, and the one for signals is what I use to also benefit for myself. So I want you all to basically be active on both of these Telegram channels and follow up with every single thing. Also, this airdrop I'm going to be mentioning today is very interesting. It's no less than Interlink, all right? And I'm going to break down every single thing you need to know about Interlink for you. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a try. All right, so let's head straight to my mobile phone, and do not forget, it's your boy Crypto Alpha. Here are some few things I'm going to share with you guys about Interlink. Now, the airdrop is at mining stage right now. You basically just need to download Interlink network application. This is how the application looks like. You get to click on it, and automatically you're going to be able to create an account. To create an account is very simple. The interface of you creating an account on this particular airdrop is easy. All right, now once you create an account, you're going to be seeing an option for you where you're going to be able to see the countries that are currently on this particular airdrop right over here. So there are a lot of countries which are already being provided right here, and also you're going to be seeing right here that the total amount of ID on the Interlink is about 200,000, which is basically showing right here. All right, so you can see a lot of people actually are on the Interlink airdrop right now. Verified ID are showing, active ID and also weekly ID are also showing. All right, so every single thing you're going to be needing to know about the Interlink airdrop is provided for you. Now on the other hand, you're going to see right on this spot, you're going to be seeing where you can click to mine Interlink. Now you get to click on it, and then there's going to be an ad to pop up. Now, this particular ads that is basically popping up right now is what Interlinks use to either generate money, all right? And you can basically skip the ad once there is a time for you to skip the ad, and your miner starts running for you. Now, the burning session is already ongoing. Now, the burning session is already ongoing, and you can basically see right here, active amount, which you can basically mine right here, and then the amount I've actually mined so far, the base rate, which is also provided, the base reward, which is also provided right here. So what I will click right now is to click on mine and allow this to load out. Then I'll be able to receive the amount that I've actually previously mined. So you can see right here, congratulations, that you have received a successful mine amount of over $30 Interlink. All right, so I'm going to click on confirm right now. And what I will need to do is for me to basically wait for my mining cycle to complete. Now, you mine Interlink for every 4 hours, and as long as you have your 4 hours being done, you just basically get to come back and click on it again. So just 4 hours, the Interlink arrives in your wallet, and that is basically all. So within the next 4 hours, you can still come back and still click on it again and start mining. Interlink is very, very simple to mine, and all you have to do is to have the application running. And also, aside you mining right over here, all right, so there are options for you to do videos and in reward, but these are basically for content creators. And you click on this section, you're going to be seeing right here, this is basically on their season 1. All right, so for content creators, you can basically do a video to in reward, and the reward is up to $15,000, which is basically provided, and you can make videos to in reward right over here. So how to basically do that? The last section for this was to make videos to in reward is from August 6th to September 5th. All right, and you can basically see here, create an in and then connect. All right, so click on this section, you're going to be seeing all the information you're basically needing to do all this. All right, and every single information which you basically need to create the content are all provided for you. Now if you check very well on YouTube, you're basically going to see other content creators doing the same thing, and they are basically any rewards from creating content on this particular airdrop. All right, so you can click on the sign in to sign in and become part of the people that will be creating content to earn rewards on here. So my initial target was to introduce this to you guys and also get to show you guys things you basically need to know about this particular airdrop. Now these are my recent views so far. These are my Interlink section. You can basically check on the leaderboard where you get to see on the amount of mined and also the theta. Alright, so you can basically see this is one down to the non session, and these are weekly. You can see the monthly session right over here as well. Now, the main target for us is to mine Interlink and also explore the application, get to know other things that are basically available. Also, based on the country that you are, they come on live right here and they get to explain and also do some kind of like podcast news which you can basically see. So this is Pakistan right now. Someone is live right over here, and Ethiopia is coming soon, which we are going to be expecting anytime from here. You can basically join to get all the information you need. Now you can also go to either your Chrome or your ChatGPT and ask a question on the benefit and also anything you basically can get from mining Interlink. All right, so this is something that we should give a try. Right, you basically don't invest money right here, and at the same time your initial time which you are spending right here, you're basically just coming over to the app to click to start mining, and it's very simple. So this is just all you need to do and you start mining. Also, you can see this is my Interlink ID right over here and the amount I've actually mined so far. So for you to participate on the Interlink, you can basically go over and start kind of like create your account, and also try as much as possible to do your human verification. Now, the human verification aspect is very important. As long as you have your account running, please try as much as possible to do your human verification. Is very, very important, and make sure to have every single thing running. You can also follow them on Twitter, so you can get all the information they'll be dropping on time and get all the latest news coming up, right? So they say right here, big things are coming. We are excited to share some incredible milestone with the Interlink and decentralized human network focus on AI has achieved a short time, all right? So you can basically see right here, all the updates that are basically coming up are going to be posted on their official Twitter handle, and you can follow up. Just make sure to get all the information you need, and that is basically all. Now, if you need anything again, if you basically have any problem, you want to like understand anything in general from this, please do make sure to communicate with me, and also make sure to drop informations on the comment section of this video, and I will do my own research and get back to you as fast as possible. Stay tuned, and remember, this is Crypto Alpha.